Hello kids, I wonder which fruit we have for you today. Look, let's discover it together. Look, we are going to draw the watermelon at the top. Let's get our paper and pencils ready. We will draw our watermelon slices just like I show you. They are going to look so nice. Then we will color them beautifully just like at the top. Okay kids, get your paper and pencils ready. We are going to have a wonderful time. Here is our box of colorful pencils. The colors are so bright and shiny. Let's open the box and get to know our pencils. Let's see what lovely colors are inside. Now I am showing the pencils up close to the camera. The colors look really wonderful. Don't you think they look beautiful too? Now let's play a little game with our pencils. Let's stand them up, then gently knock them over. Playing with pencils makes me so happy. Now let's roll our pencils a little and see how they move. Let's begin. Yes, kids, our pencils roll very nicely. I really like the way they moved. Now we are moving on to our drawing with this thin pencil. Come on, kids, now it is drawing time. Let's take our pencils and start drawing our watermelon. First, we draw a triangle line. Then we add a softly curved line underneath. And another matching line on top. Now we make one more just like this, and we start drawing the seeds. After drawing 4 seeds, we make another slice next to it. Now let's make our third watermelon slice too. This will help our hands get used to drawing. And now we draw one more. The more we practice, the better it gets. Our hands learn the drawing more easily. This way, our picture looks even nicer. Now we draw 4 more watermelon slices at the bottom. The more we practice, the more our hands get used to it. You can also ask a grown-up to print out a drawing page for you. If you do not want to draw, you can just color. Yes, now we have 8 watermelon slices. Now let's make the lines thicker. So why do we make them thicker? Because it helps stop the colors from going outside the lines. It also makes our picture look much nicer. Now it is time to count the watermelon slices. Let's see how many there are. First watermelon slice. Second watermelon slice. Third watermelon slice. Fourth watermelon slice. Fifth watermelon slice. Sixth watermelon slice. Seventh watermelon slice. And the 8th watermelon slice. Exactly, we have 8 watermelon slices. and we will color all of them in bright colors. Yes, it is coloring time. Now, let's choose one of these pencils. Let's see what its tip looks like. Yes, the tip looks really nice. These pencils have brush tips. Coloring with them will be so much fun. Now we will color all of them like a rainbow. But first, let's line up our pencils on top of them. Perfect. Now let's place our pencils to the side. Yes, now it is time to color. Let's start coloring. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe and leave a like. Come on, now it is coloring time. Let's begin. I wonder which color I should choose. While I color, you will say the name of the color I'm using. Okay? Let's see if you can guess it. Which color? Come on, tell me. What is the name of this color? Well done, you guessed it. This color is called blue. Now we will color the bottom rind of the watermelon. But first, let's color the seeds. Watermelon seeds are usually black. Yes. Now we are coloring this side. Say this color. Yes, this color is called yellow. Now let's color the bottom part. Come on, tell me, what color is this? Yes, well done, you guessed it. This one is green. Now we can move on to our second watermelon. While I color, you will say the name of the color, but say it a little louder. I cannot hear you. I could not hear you. Which color is it? Yes, this became a yellow watermelon slice. Now I sped up the rest for you. Yes, can you say the color's name? What color was this slice? What was the name of the color? Come on, think about it. Yes, bravo! You guessed it so nicely. What is the name of this color? Yes, a pink watermelon slice. Come on, I'm waiting for you to say the color's name. Yes, a purple watermelon slice. Can you guess this one too? What color is this? Yes, orange. It looks so bright. Wonderful. Yes, now say the name of this one too. Yes, this color is called brown. Now which slice should we color with this color? Yes, I am waiting for you to say its name. Let's see if you can guess this color too. Yes, our last watermelon slice is green. We colored our watermelon slices. Now let's say the color names one more time. Let's see which colors we have. First, you say them. Then I will say them, okay? Blue watermelon slice. Yellow watermelon slice. Red watermelon slice. Pink watermelon slice. Purple watermelon slice. Orange watermelon slice. Brown watermelon slice. And green watermelon slice. Yes! Bravo! You know all the colors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Goodbye!